So we are now gonna take a quick look here at this SCANGRIP Site Light 80 with the tripod, which you can use for a height of 145 meters up to 3 meters. Very solid, and it gives you the ability to have an additional mounting possibility to the ground here. And we are now gonna switch on the light here. There are 4 different brightness settings. You can do the control with the buttons here directly on the lamp, or you can also use the smartphone app via Bluetooth. Now we are on 20,000 lumens, 40, 60 and 80,000 lumens. Super powerful, a very wide floodlight here with this SCANGRIP Site Light 80. And as you can hear, the cooling fans are active right now. They automatically switch on. This is the SCANGRIP Site Light 80. More information on the online store, welleroutdoor.ch. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.